Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the continuation of the previous video, which is how to use for loop in automation. Okay. Since I can make video only for 30 minutes, I had to stop it there. Okay, so in this video, I will continue. So, what I'll show you in this video is here I'm taking this swag lab. Let me enter the username and password. Username, password. Okay, so here I'll show you how to use a for loop to collect all the product names. Okay, I'll use a for loop to collect all the product names and check whether the specific product is present in the list. Okay, we will select this product and we will validate that this product is present in the list. Okay, let us see how to do that. So I've already created a spec file and test block. I've already entered the username and password. Okay, so now let us inspect the title of the product names and let us keep them in some variable. It has class control F. Okay, six matching elements. Let us take this and keep all of them in some variable. Okay, so variable will call const product name. Product names is equal to await page dot locator. This is the locator. Okay, so now I want to get the count of it. How to get the count? Product names dot count. So it will give the count and we'll keep this in some variable. Const count is equal to await product names dot count. Okay, so now let us use the for loop to get the or to print the product names. Okay, so for let I is equal to 0 because we want to start from the first product. I is equal to 0 and I less than count and I plus plus because after getting the first product I want to go to the next product name. Okay, so now here we will get the text of it. Const name is equal to await product names. Product name is this one, product names dot nth of I. So I means first one. For the first time it the value is 0 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, dot inner text, I want to get the name of the product title. Okay, so I'm using inner text to fetch the title. Inner text. Okay, now let us print console.log product, sorry, product title of, will print I value dollar I plus 1. I will tell you why I'm using 1 is we'll put colon and we'll print the product title. Product names. Let us execute this. If you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please do practice, and if you think you want me to automate any other scenario, please do comment. Okay, it did not print the, it is just give the locator. Okay, so here I have to give the name. Sorry. Okay, let us run. Because the name is what is having the title of the product, correct? So here I'm getting the inner text. So I'm passing it here. Okay, so now we can see there are six product names. First one is Sauce Labs backpack, bike light, and all. Okay, so here I gave I plus 1 is I value is by default or not by default. We are starting the loop from 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So I wanted to say the title of 1 is, or the product title of 1 is this one. Okay, so that's why I gave 1 plus I plus 1. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to validate is I want to validate this particular product is present in that list. Okay, so let me copy that text. I'm copying it here. Okay. Okay. So before that, I'll create a variable called is product present, and I will assign false value to it. Okay. So let is product found, product present or found is equal to false. Initially, I will set it to false because I don't know whether this product is there or not. Okay. Okay. So now here I'll put condition. Okay. So if this name dot trim, I will use the trim method to remove the extra spaces or anything extra with this name. If it is equal to this text, then I'll set this value to true. Is product present true is equal to true, and we can use a condition, playwright condition or assertion method. Expect is product present to be true, to be true. Okay. Okay, so let us execute. So here if the condition is true, then it sets that is present value to true. So here it will, the assertion is passed. Expect is present, sorry, is product present to be true. So initially it was false, and once we found that product, we assign true value to that. Okay. Okay, so this is for this video. If you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching.